Stenotomy. The surgical aortic valve replacement, SAVR, procedure treats diseases affecting the aortic valve. An aortic valve replacement involves removing a faulty or damaged valve and replacing it with a new valve made from synthetic materials or animal tissue. An incision down the middle of the chest directly over the sternum, breastbone. The surgeon will divide the sternum to gain access to the heart. Cardiopulmonary bypass. The pericardium is open to gain direct access to the heart. The heart is connected to a cardiopulmonary bypass machine. Cannulas are inserted into the right atrium and the aorta. Stenotic aortic valve removal. An aortotomy, incision, is made in the aorta. The aortic valve is removed. Aortic valve replacement. The valve sutures are then placed through the prosthetic valve and annulus. The prosthetic valve is lowered down onto the annulus. Valve sutures are tied down circumferentially. The aortotomy is closed with 2 layers of continuous running sutures. Sternal closure. The cross clamp is removed. The heart is slowly taken off the cardiopulmonary bypass machine, heart-lung machine, to restore normal circulation to the heart and body. Sternal wires are placed starting from the top, using surgical stainless steel sutures. Skin closure. The skin is closed with sutures.